to do is to give a beautiful wave to the crowd. Okay po ba yan? Kakaway-kaway tayo sa ating mga bisita. Of course, that is a dance song. Kaya magkakaroon po tayo ng konting indakan. Alright? So now, huwag na po natin patagalin niya. Ladies and gentlemen, all eyes in our entrance. And let's give it up for our Ninong Mayor Rex and Nina Marlon Lucara. Palakpakan naman natin. Alright? And of course, ladies and gentlemen, this time, let's give it up for our Ninong Alvin and Doctora Amor Rivera. Amor! Sayawan! And let's give it up for our Ninong Pastor Juniper and Pastora Elizabeth. Alright, and this time, let's give it up for our Ninong Leonardo and Ninong Ruby. And of course, let's welcome our Ninong Roberto and Ninong Mary Grace Ruelas. Ooh, wow. And ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our Ninong Limon and Ninong Rizal San Pablo. And of course, our Ninong Glenn and Ninong Joyce Morales. And let's give it up for our Ninong Francisco and Ninong Alma Pagkakatan. Come on! And let's give it up for our Ninong Angelito and Ninong Marisa Martin. Alright, and of course, our Ninong Michael Piñon and Ninong Marvin Capa. Alright, come on. And this time, let's give it up for our Ninong Alvin Marquez and Dr. Rowena Marquez. Wow. Alright, and of course, let's give it up for our Ninong Sunny and Ninong Giselle Javier.